Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious papaya sorbet. This refreshing treat is perfect for warm days and surprisingly simple to prepare at home. First, you'll need about 2 medium-sized, very ripe papayas, the juice of 1 fresh lime, and a half cup of simple syrup. You can easily make simple syrup by dissolving 1 part sugar in 1 part hot water, then letting it cool completely. Let's get started. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's prepare the star of our show, the papaya. Carefully cut each papaya in half lengthwise. Using a spoon, scoop out all the small, black seeds from the center. Next, peel the skin from the papaya halves. A vegetable peeler works wonderfully for this, or you can use a sharp knife. Finally, cut the vibrant orange flesh into small, manageable chunks, roughly 1 inch in size. These pieces are now ready for blending. With your papaya prepped, it's time to bring everything together. Transfer all the papaya chunks into a high-speed blender. Add the fresh juice from 1 lime and your cooled simple syrup. Blend on high until the mixture is incredibly smooth and there are absolutely no lumps remaining. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once blended, pour this beautiful, smooth mixture into your ice cream maker. Churn it for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Almost there. Once your sorbet has churned to a soft serve consistency, carefully transfer it from the ice cream maker into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours. This crucial step allows the sorbet to firm up properly, making it perfect for scooping. When you're ready to enjoy, simply scoop and serve. If it's too hard, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. Enjoy your homemade papaya sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.